I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, by request, we're going to do a whole bunch of vocal warmups that use words and phrases rather than just sounds. Feel free to switch around octaves as needed, and the exercises are listed below. Check in for a moment with your alignment and breathing before we begin singing, and we want to focus in on the task at hand, releasing any tension that we don't need. Let's start with a glide on the word moon, like moon, and go. Moon, moon, Now let's move to a pentascale. That's the first 5 notes of a major scale. We're going to sing on the words, Mommy made me mash my M&ms, like Mommy made me mash my M&ms. This brings focus and efficiency to the sound, and we want to think of having smooth breath throughout. Here we go. Mommy made me mash my M&ms. 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 This next vocal warm-up helps with diction reminders. We will sing, diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Like, diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Here we go. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Diction is done with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. This next exercise is just an octave jump. We're going to sing on the word hello, like hello. We will do each one twice. Here we go. Hello, hello. 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 Now we're going to sing the words melody, harmony, sing. The pattern is this. Melody, harmony, sing, sing. Here we go. Melody, harmony, sing, sing. 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 Melody, harmony. going to move to sun and moon and stars shine bright, like sun and moon and stars shine bright. Here we go. Sun and moon and stars shine bright. 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 Now we're going to work on the words sing a little and sing with me. Here's the pattern. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing a little, sing with me. Now we will sing the words sing a little every day and sing, sing, sing. The pattern sounds like this. Sing a little every day, sing, sing, sing. Here we go. Sing a little every day, sing, sing, sing. 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 Let's work a descending exercise. We're going to sing on the words, oh, now here we go. We want to bring some roundness into the sound. It sounds like this. Oh, now here we go. 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 Now let's think about the sensation of sighing. And on this last exercise, we're going to sing the words, I sigh to sing, like I sigh to sing, and try it. I sigh to sing. 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 Thank you so much for singing with me today. Make sure to check out the news and announcements in the About section below. When you like and subscribe, it really helps me out, so I appreciate it. I'll see you next time.